all you Serene and Simple Life peeps. I'm happy you're here. I wish you were really here. This is absolutely where I could live. At the beach, on the beach. It is so pretty here. Show you background here. I am visiting Tammy from St. Augustine right now. I'd like to show you her setup and maybe a couple tips and hints she has. She is traveling right now in a Ford Expedition, I believe it is, truck. And we are just having a good time. Just came from visiting Kimberly and couldn't bypass seeing Tammy while I was here. It's so pretty. Let me show you the sand dunes. I think I'm gonna pick up a few shells. Look at the colors in that. Do any of you collect shells when you're at the beach? I'm digging it. This is awesome. These are so pretty here. Wow. Once I get started, I don't know when to stop. So, I don't know, maybe 20 would be a good number. Let's walk up to the sand dunes. Since you can't physically be here right now, maybe another day. I'm camping with Tammy at Anastasia State Park. This is like 5 minutes from the campground. When I go back, I'll show you our adorable camp setup. Again, I'm not sure yet. I'm trying to talk Tammy into being on camera. She's not real crazy about that, so maybe I'll just get her hands and the things that she wants to show. Some really cool stuff that she has going on with living as a nomad right now. Look how pretty. Beautiful sky. There's the ocean from a distance. It's probably only like 100 people here. Just the way I like it. It's very hot. Very hot, but at least we've got the breeze, right? Just want to get a little closer. I'm sorry I don't have a windsock right now. Guess you're just gonna have to bear with me to hear the beautiful sound of the waves and the crashing waters. And there's one of my favorite buddies. Yeah, he's just doing his strut. He's just strutting along. Guess he's gonna go into the water. Woo, there he goes, there he goes. Gotta love it, that never gets old. So pretty here. Wish you were here. I think I'm gonna get my feet wet. There we go. Woo! Feels great. I love taking pictures of the wave patterns too as they come into shore. I had quite a few pictures when I was in Oregon doing that. Or just stay in the neighborhood, what can I say? Put your descriptive word in the comments. Oh, look at the baby! Baby's just hustling into the water, out of the water. I don't know if you can see it. Running for his life. As I spin you around and make you dizzy. All right, we're gonna go back to camp now. I think I'll pick up a few more shells. Closer to the dunes now. or to the nesting area, not the dunes. Oh, here's a big shell. Yeah, one of my bigger ones, my bigger finds. I just love photographing this. Help save our coastal birds. Disturbance by people, pets, or vehicles can result in nest abandonment and death of young birds. All right. I think I will. Help. So pretty. Take a couple pictures with those beautiful clouds back there. Bye-bye to the beach. Bye-bye to the ocean. This is a very cool walkway here. Ooh, there's a lighthouse way over. Can't see it at all, so maybe you can see it. I like this. Cars parked. My SUV home's parked just down the ways from here. It's an enjoyable little excursion here today. So come along as I go back to our beautiful campsite and show you what's going on there. Guess we've got a professional photographer here. It's a pretty long walkway. It's an empty parking lot. Snowbirds don't come here in the summer months. There's my little bag of stash. I'll have to take them back to the picnic table and take a good look at them. That looks like more than 20, huh? Restrooms and showers. Back to the campsite and through the jungle back to our spot, Tammy's campsite that she's invited me to. Thank you, Tammy. It's so good to see you again. What, it's been a year and a half. Yes, indeed. Time sure does fly. You know what they say when you're having fun. All different kinds of paths through here. You could definitely get lost at night if you're not paying attention. Supposedly there's no bears here, so I can't say that you'll get eaten by a bear. But it's been thundering off and on. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Pretty. Some lone posies in the midst of massive ferns. Shot across the way. Pretty nice. Pretty cozy here. Guess we got a casita next door and a couple vehicles. Look how pretty down the way. Tammy and I took a little walk today. This is my second night here. We were 2 spots up last night, and a family of 4 with little ones and a dog and a crazy guy on the other side of us who ran his shop vac for hours this morning. Was not fun, but the spot was taken for tonight, so we did have to move. We only moved 2 doors up, which made it really, really convenient. Tammy is out visiting some family. She'll be back in a little while. So yeah, it's cool when you visit somebody and you both do your own thing and then you come back together. Little tent camper over there. I haven't seen them all day. So Tammy and I caught up at the picnic table today. Then I went to the beach and she got ready to go see her family. Yay! It was raining earlier, so I put the window socks on and was sitting inside eating Started out at my camp chair and table, which was in this corner. I may go put it back up again now. All right, we'll see if Tammy wants to be on camera. Not sure if that'll be separate video or not. So with that, blessing in your day and joy in your camping, with your friendships, and in the journey. One more thing, nice privacy. There's one across the way, they're staggered. And then let's go look at an empty lot just in case you ever want to come here. Of course, you can always see pictures online, but you know, here's a nice one. Good for a few people. And there's your barrier. And then one more down here. Or two more. It's a smaller spot. And there's a spot. And yep, that'll about do it. Please subscribe, click the bell, and give this one a thumbs up. Just having the time of my life while I look for land and rebuild one way or the other. So, you know, if you're subscribed, you won't lose. You won't lose out, you won't get lost on the journey. How about that? Later. It's the next morning, heading down through the path again. And I talked to Tammy, and she is absolutely not interested in being videoed. So from a distance, and it's not the type of vehicle that I told you, but it is like a big truck. Exclusion, maybe? I can't remember. There you see it here. It's a Ford something or other. There we are. So just want to let you know, if you're holding out to see Tammy and some of her tips and hints, that's not going to happen. Alrighty. Have a blessed day. Through the forest we go. Excursion. Maybe that's the word, not exclusion. Later.